look at this loser. Oh my gosh, why do you look like a loser? Oh my gosh. Guys, what should I do? I need to make this loser feel like a loser.
Why does this guy want to make me sound like a loser?
You are gonna be the losiest loser on the planet. Look at you. Oh my gosh, why did you just spit?
I'm not a loser. I swear. Oh,
You aren't. Look at you. You're crying. Stop crying.
You're a loser.
Oh, stop joking around. I know that you are the loser here. I am so beautiful.
No, you shut up. I'm not the loser.
You know what? Let's see who is the loser here. Let's see. Whoever has the best laugh is not the loser. Whoever has the worst laugh is the loser. Oh, yeah? It is.
You're allowed to lose. You loser.
Okay, I'm up. Ready, set.
You're bad. You're bad.
Come back for part 2.